Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm back out on the production floor, but where I'm at is in one of the new welding training booths. So what we are doing now, we've always done training obviously for our new welders, but we're going to really ramp it up a notch here. What we're doing is we're going to bring all of our work leaders, assistant work leaders, and all of our 72 welders, we're going to bring them into these training booths and we're going to kind of start from scratch. And back here you'll see that we've got some different tools that are required. Every training booth or every weld booth out on the floor will have these same tools. And this way we're going to just make sure that all of the work we do is consistent throughout, so that we can give the very best quality that we've been giving for many years. We want to make sure it gets even better. And we've been very fortunate. We have an individual that just began with us several months ago, a gentleman named Sneed, and he was a welding instructor for Job Corps here in Louisville for 22 years. And there's about 10 welders that currently work for us that were trained by Mark and learned to weld. Well, he's going to take part. He'll be the lead trainer, and we'll be doing this on first shift. And we have another gentleman, Jamison Burton, that will be running it for the third shift welders, because we have about 25 welders on third shift. So it's something really exciting. It's something to just make our product better, make our quality as good as it can possibly be. We've always really felt like we've put out a great product, and we don't want to take anything for granted. We're gonna just take a look at everything and make sure we do it even better. So that's what we got this week. See you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.